come my parents. Bringing a trailer of stuff. First time they've seen Kansas without a great snowstorm. So, here we go. Load 3. You're gonna see the property for the first time. What do you guys think?
You're a long way back, huh? Yep. Wow. Oh, smell the air.
Come see the tiny house. Let them do this.
Isn't this cute? Did you do this? The little hello?
I got you these as a...
Oh, aren't those beautiful?
I'm wearing blue ones.
And they have chickens on them.
Welcome home.
Thank you. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the front porch. Did you guys sit out there?
Yes, I ate my breakfast out there.
What a blessing. See?
So I got it all set up to cook.
Good.
And like, we potentially could put a queen size bed up there.
Like a mattress?
Yeah, like you could. Look at, there's a lot of space. It goes over the whole front porch.
Oh yeah.
So here's Jeff and Louise and their granddaughter. So they want to probably meet us. Say hello.
This wall is something we can, oh look how cool that looks.
What we're
Trying not to cry.